So far, what we see is a signal. A simple, a very dense fish pond. What about a pump first? After pumping this water over, what about after you draw it? Before entering this oxygenated water, you need to add a Venturi injector processor first. In Venturi, the intake end of the processor is directly connected to the hose. Oxygen produced by an oxygen generator. It goes straight through the Venturi processor. It mixes it with water, and it goes into this oxygen cone. What about the oxygen cone? There's a couple of components. What about the first one? Is there a pressure gauge on it? It can see that this pump, after the water is poured in, a pressure value after dissolving the air. Meanwhile, what about this transparent tube? Can you see the current water level? What state are you in? Because of this oxygen cone, it's got a lot of oxygen in it after all. And then, when the water comes in, oxygen and water have a time to mix. It can't be full of water. So what? The water level in it may not be full. In this state, after the oxygen and water are fully fused, go through this water outlet and back into this fish pond. That completes the oxygenation process. There's a small ball valve at the bottom. What is this for? Because fish are very dense, there may be some impurities, feces, etc. After a long time, heavy things may settle on the bottom. We can open it through this sewage outlet. Get rid of this dirty thing. Is that what it does?